Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. Theo here. This is part 4, and we'll talk about how to copy any mesh and any material from Hillside project into our project. For this, I will open Project Alpha. Okay, so we are here. And then in Hillside project, for copying anything, let's say we want this particular road because it looks amazing. We can select it, and it will go to, in our outliner, it will go to side hardscape update. Okay. We can right click and level edit, and we now have access to an HISM hardscape update, which contains a lot of instance static meshes. Our particular instance static mesh is somewhere here, instance static mesh 9. If you double click on it, it will get you to that particular mesh. But we're not interested in that. We will use a tool that Epic provided us with inside this project, and I've never seen anyone talking about it because it's very, very useful. Okay, so we are in side hardscape update level instance. We opened it, and now we have an HISM hardscape update, this one. We can go to our content drawer, control space, and we can go to blueprints, and there is a editor utility widget mesh to HISM, which we right click, run, and this is a dialog we have. If we have the HISM selected, we can just select it, instances to mesh, click that button, and now everything is broken into static meshes, into components. So we can just select this particular mesh. Let's close this for now. And in order to migrate it to our project alpha, I would recommend to have all your meshes you want to migrate, added them into a level, and migrate the level. This is how you're going to do this. So we have the SM asphalt spine 01 as a static mesh with the correct material on it. We can control space, we can go to content, we can create a new folder, and let's call it migrate. Go into that folder and create a new level, and we'll say road. The level road we can save, and in our levels we can drag road. If it doesn't appear here, that's a problem with the with refreshing. So I found that if you go to outliner and go back to levels, you should have this one there. Okay, so our level road is in here, and we want this SM asphalt to be in our level we want to migrate. Select the road level, right click, and move selected actors to level. And this became grayed out because it's no longer part of that HISM in this instance. And okay, let's just start with this one, and then we can migrate different other things. We have the road, save, and let's get out of the site hardscape update level instance. So you select anything else, right click, level, commit, and now we're back to normal. In our levels, we take the road, we right click, find it in content browser. So this is where it's supposed to be. Right click and asset action migrate. We don't want to save anything. We can copy everything else into our project, and we'll go to project alpha, content, select folder. We have a couple of things already migrated there, so apply to all, no, I guess. Let's see. We're copying everything else. Brilliant. Let's go into our project alpha, control space, Hillside. I guess we'll have it in content and migrate, and we have the road as a level. We take this and that, take it there. I don't know where it is, but if you right click on it, you can select actors and then press F, and this is where it was copied. So this is how it looks with the right material on it. It looks splendid. The materials are absolutely amazing. Now, let's copy some trees. If we select the trees, they are part of a level instance. We can right click, we can right click here, level, edit, and the trees are on part of an HISM Fagus grandifolia. So this one, we can control space, go to blueprint. Actually, we can add a favorite as blueprint, so we can add to favorite. So every time we're somewhere else, we can just go to favorites, blueprints, mesh to HISM, and then we can run editor, selected instances to mesh, click. Brilliant. We have this tree, we can copy this one, that one, and let's say this one. Any particular preference? Oh, we can add those ones as well, which are in a blueprint or something. Yeah, they are part of another HISM probably. So click, 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 click. Let's take all these trees and migrate it to our project alpha. Control space, go to content, in migrate, we create a new level, let's call it trees, save, right click, save, and then levels, drag it in there. Let's see if we have a refresh. Yes, it refreshed. With these selected, right click on trees, level, and move selected actors to level. Don't select anything else, right click, level, commit. Brilliant. And we can save it and right click, find it in content browser, trees, asset action, migrate. We don't save the project. All these okay, into alpha contents, select folder, we apply, no. Fantastic. Back to our project. Control space, we go to content, we go to migrate, we have the trees, we can just drag them in. And let's say we want the trees right over here, not there. We can just select select actors, so all the actors, right click into the void and snap objects to view. All the trees are here. Ideally, you would reset the rotation and just add them wherever you want. Like here, and Alt drag to make a copy. And we have this. Okay, we can save this, we can save that. So right here on the bottom right says all saved, so we're good. Go to back to the Hillside project. We can, let's migrate this road. I like this road as well. Where is this? Is inside hardscape update as well. So we right click on it, level, edit. We just take this one as part of an HISM, control space, and go to blueprints, in favorites, right click, run, selected instances to mesh. Brilliant, we have this. And we can make another level, and we can say various. Let's say save, go to levels, drag it there, and with this road selected, various, right click and move selected. Okay, select anything else, level, commit. Great. We'll let's get some containers as well. These are part of level instance SD containers. Right click, level, edit. You can also break, but be careful. If you keep number 1 here and you say break, sometimes it works, sometimes it crashes Unreal. So if you want to break something, if you want to break the level, just add another number here and break level. For me, it worked that way. But the safest way is to edit, just get into this one, and then blueprints, mesh, run, selected instances to mesh. We take this one and just put it in our levels, various, move. Do we want crates? HISM crates. Let's do that again. Run, selected. Okay. Let's go into this one level commit, and we have whatever crate we want, and right click. Oh, well, it added already here because it was active, so you can say make current and adds everything new into this one. Okay, if we right click and select actors, I guess all the crates from that HISM are here into our various folder, sorry, level. Doesn't matter. We can find, right click, asset, migrate, don't save. We can do that. And in order to be sure that everything is copied, when you hit OK, it will ask you to, if you want to overwrite everything. But the overwrite won't work if your target project is open. So you kind of close this first, and then you do OK. Project Alpha, content, and select folder. Would you like to? And apply yes. Now the copy of the assets will work correctly. If not, you'll get an error message that not everything can be copied. But yeah, we can do this. We can copy anything else, but the principle is exactly the same. So can we get some furniture? Yes, we can, I guess. Housing, balcony, level instance, right click, edit, or level edit. And we select this is part of an HISM housing bulk as the, we can go to blueprints, run editor, selected instances to mesh. Probably that will take a while. Come. Great. We can select this. Calm down. And select this, and this. And we can create a new level, furniture. Save this. And in our levels, we drag our furniture. Yeah, it's over there. So right click, move selected access to level. Bro. Let's select something else. Right click, level, commit. Fantastic. And we'll migrate the furniture level as well. So furniture. We'll find it in content browser, furniture, asset, migrate. Yeah, we select everything. Because our project is closed at the moment, we can select yes. Okay, perfect. Let's see what we have. We go to Epic and we go to Project Alpha. We'll open that. Fantastic. Let's select this, press F, and then here we'll do, you can save a camera position in the viewport by Control 1. So if you Control 1, it will save this position. And if we go here, for example, we have some business here and things like that, and you want to go back to the previous one, you can just press 1 again, and it will bring you back to where is the favorite position saved. So from Control 1 probably to Control 9, Control 0, not too sure. But let's take the camera and bring it here. So I select the camera, right click, make sure you don't select anything else by right clicking, and then snap object to view, and then go into our new camera, the same camera but new position. So we're here. We can transform, unlock, move it wherever we want, and then lock it again. Exit camera, and let's see what we have in terms of levels. We have furniture and we have various. We can just drag this one, and we have all those things in there. So I guess if we can select the container, yes, the container, and we want to bring it here because we want a container here. We can just go here, right click there, and snap object to view. The container is here. We reset the rotation, and we'll just place it and rotate it, something like this. Why not? And let's take one of the crates. Yeah, let's select one of the crates, and whatever crate it is, and right click, and we can move to, and we'll put it in container, just because I would like to delete everything else. So SM top crate, right click, and you can select all descendants. Yeah, all of them, and delete. And we have top crate 2, right click, select all descendants, delete. And we can delete these 2 folders. And we have one crate, we can create anything, any crate construction we want. So right click, snap view to object, and drag it here, reset rotation, and then yeah, we can just copy, so on and so forth. Okay, we have the camera. We brought in whatever we wanted from our project Hillside. Oh, there is another level, so we can take, right click, save various, and we drag in furniture. I don't know where the furniture is, so I can right click, select actors, and press F. So all these are here. Brilliant. Now, in order to do exactly the same thing as Epic did with the Hillside project, we can, if you remember, we can, in blueprints, we have this mesh to HISM, and we can break any ISM or HISM in the scenes, so we can access the mesh. But we can do the opposite. We can, all the meshes, we can make it an ISM or HISM. But ideally, we would need this into our project. So what do? We migrate this editor utility widget into our project. We can select engine as well. In Project Alpha, we can Control-Shift-S to save everything. We can close, and then we can say, OK, Project Alpha content, select folder. Do you want all this? We would like to overwrite just to be sure. Great. We can then go to our Epic library, Project Alpha. Okay, and we should have contents, Hillside blueprints. We have it here. So right click, run editor. We still have this in our project. Now, again, let's go to furniture, select actors, press F. So all of these are in our furniture level. These are 7 meshes. So if we select this, everything is separate. Again, select all actors, and then we have selected mesh to instance. And if we click this, now we have, now we have an ISM, HISM, which is a group, and we can drag this into whatever we want. So let's say press 1, we have it here, take the HISM, right click, and snap object to view. Oh, it's not working because the pivot is somewhere else. Okay, so press F, we have it here. Let's see if this works. I don't know if this works. So if we go to modeling, we go to X form, everything is. So if we reset the location, it will go right here because the pivot is there. Okay, let's get a pivot center. Okay, it doesn't work. Okay, interesting. So the HISM was made with a pivot over there. Great. Let's delete. Sorry, let's go to selection. Let's delete the HISM. Go back to our level, furniture, select actors. They are hidden at the moment. We can just drag it in there. So we have, where are they? They are here. Okay. How do we get the HISM to be in 0, 0, 0 so we can move them? Interesting. Let's see in Hillside. So if I select this one, right click, level, edit, just select this, and the all HISM has the pivot over there, right? Because you don't need to change the position of them. You create them, select all of them, and then create an HISM. I see. Level discard. Okay. Let's create an ISM then. Or we have a toggle between ISM and HISM. Not too sure. But interesting. Let's see. We can obviously we can reset the location of these ones to 0, 0, 0, 0. Because the pivot is here for them, but the location is there. Okay, I don't know if it matters, but yeah, let's do this. So take this and make them a child of the table. We go 1 to our previous location and take the table dining and bring it to us to snap object view here. We are here. We reset and we can drop everything here. Okay, so we can do this, yes. And then drag them. Well, obviously we'll select everything and Alt drag. Alt drag. Then yeah, if we have all these selected and create an HISM, it will keep the position, but with a pivot over there. Got it. Right click, run editor, select meshes to instance. So we have this, which is an HISM with a pivot over there, but you cannot change the pivot. I guess I'm not that good. I don't know everything that's related to Unreal. But if we, let's see, if we right click and toggle ISM to, this is HISM. If we toggle, okay, it doesn't do anything. Okay, fantastic. But yeah, ideally, yeah, add everything into the position and then create the HISM with everything you want to add into that particular, whatever kind of group. Right, cool. I guess this is it. This was part 4, how to copy any mesh and any material from Hillside project into our own project, and what's the process of doing it. I guess I need to add another level. I'm not too sure, but I think we, oh yeah, that's the road, that's the other road, yes, which is over here, because it came with various, yes, okay. Okay, everything is in order. Right, so I'll see you in part 5, where we'll talk about, I don't know, something related to a third-party software like 3ds Max, how to bring in the exact location whatever you need from 3ds Max into Unreal, and we'll demonstrate this with obviously with a Hillside mesh and then 3ds Max. In the meantime, have a great day, and I will see you shortly in part 5. Thank you all. Goodbye.